COVID-19 pandemic, we are running our customers through the commissioning process via videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how your spa works. Now, once we've delivered your spa, you will have to fill it up. This is done via the filter housing. So find the filter housing in your spa and your filter. Just need to undo your filter and pop it out. Where your filter was, down that hole is where you need to fill it. Now, we recommend to take all the ends off of your hose and make sure it's completely bare. Run the hose 30 seconds first and then pop it down in the hole in your spa. You need to fill it up so it's covering all of the jets. This is bar your neck and shoulder jets. They don't need to be covered by the water, they stay up and out of the water. You can fill it all the way up to the bottom of your pillows, but please do make sure that all your jets are covered. Now, once your spa is full, you want to pop your filter back in your spa. Now, you can get air bubbles in here, and this can be a bit of a problem for the systems in your spa. So when you pop your filter back in, submerge it under the water, turn it upside down, get any air out, and then pop it in your filter housing. Now, you just twist it to do it up until it's fingertip tight. Once you get to that point, just turn it half a turn back. You don't want your filter too tight in there. To control your spa, there's a few different controls that you'll have dotted around the edge. In this model, we have a control for the pillow full. It's normally the smallest one, works like a tap, and this either controls your pillow full or any type of waterfall you have in the spa. You also have these medium-sized ones. Some of them are a switch in some models, where these work like a tap, they turn on and off. What that does is adds air into the systems. This makes the massage a bit stronger, so you can either have them on or off depending on how you want massage to feel. This particular model has a diverter on it. This pushes the pump power from one side of the spa to the other, again depending on how much power you want to your specific seat. All the jets do turn on and off individually. If you have a bruise somewhere and you don't want the jet on, you can just turn it off. When you exit your spa, do make sure that all your jets are turned back on. It can create pressure behind the systems if they aren't. The other way of controlling your spa is your main control panel. Now, to turn your jets on and off, you will have a jet button. If you have a single pump spa, this will have two stages to the pump. So the first press will bring it onto the first stage, the second press will bring it on fully. If you have a two pump spa, your second pump doesn't have a two stage. It will just come on fully once you press the button once, but you'll have two separate buttons for the two different pumps. Some of you will have a touchscreen control panel. They will have the relevant pumps depending on how many you have in your spa. You also have a light button if your spa has different colours to it. By switching it on and off, it runs through the different colour options that you have in your spa. Just make sure you turn this off before you get out of your spa. Now, you control your temperature of your spa via your control panel. You have a warming and cooling button on there. By pressing either of them, it will show you the temperature you're either heating or cooling your spa to. The number that you leave it on last is that's what it will heat to.